topic, which is paragraph spacing. From this ribbon for the paragraph formatting, right beside the alignment is this one, line and paragraph spacing. So you can quickly actually change the spacing of your paragraphs or the lines. This is the line spacing. Okay, as you can see, one of the paragraphs is being affected by the line spacing that I am hovering my mouse into right now because my cursor is there, here. It is here. So, okay, let's try to select all the paragraphs so that we would be able to see the result. And I am not clicking anything yet. I'm just hovering my mouse. So let's say, oh, I want them to be double spaced. Or maybe I do not want, I just want to retain the single spacing, but I want to add a space before each paragraph. So we call this the before space. And I want to add a space after each paragraph. Okay, I will show you the difference as you see it on the screen. I will just choose 2 paragraphs, this one and the next, so that we would be able to distinguish really what's this before and after space. So add space before. So this is how it looks like. Immediately, there's a space on this part and right before the first line of this document. Now, let's do it the other way. I want to remove the space before each paragraph so it goes back to its original settings. And I would want to add a space after each paragraph. So if I click this one, you will see that right after the first line, there's immediately a 1-line space beneath it. And also on the second paragraph, there's immediately a line of space added after the paragraph. Okay, so I think I like this better. So I'm going to choose everything again from start to finish, and I'm going to add, I'll remove first the spacing that I did earlier and reapply it. Add space after each paragraph. Now we have a better view of our document because there are proper spacing done already. And now we can fully see, or we can clearly see, the alignment that I'm going to apply. Now, as you can see, when the texts are left aligned, especially in paragraphs, you would see that on this side of our screen, that it's irregularly aligned. Okay, they're not really aligned properly, and there are open spaces after each line because all the lines are flushed on the left side of the margins. And it's the same thing if I choose the right align, because everything again will be flushed on the right side. If it's on the center, then that's how it would look like. And now I'm going to choose justify align. And as you can see now, every paragraph are aligned both on the left and the right side. And for those single line paragraphs, those which are just single line, they are not stretched out, but they just look as if they were flushed on the left side of the margins. But if I add text here, you will notice that they are aligned, justified on both sides. Okay, so I'm just going to delete the ones that I entered. Okay, so that's how you align and set spacing on your paragraphs. Now, what if I want to set a spacing on each line?